How to make YouTube Shorts video in CapCut PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can make YouTube Shorts video on CapCut PC. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up CapCut on your PC, import the media that you would like to convert it into the YouTube Shorts video. So once you land on your editing page, make sure to drag the video on your timeline. So once you have the video on your timeline, first of all, we have to adjust the aspect ratio for the video. So the aspect ratio for the YouTube Shorts will be 9:16 aspect ratio. So in order to change into that, here is this ratio option right here, click on it. So from here, you have to select 9:16 aspect ratio. After that, you have to scale your video so that it is fully fitted on your screen. So here is this scale button right here, or scale slider. You have to increase this slider. If you want to drag the certain portion of your video, you can do that by clicking on this and then dragging it, and make sure that it is fully fitted on your screen. So once you're done with that, you can do your remaining editing. If you want to add text, stickers, you can do that as well. Once you're done, simply export the video, and that's how you create YouTube Shorts video on CapCut PC. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.